So, hi, my name is Garasi, and today I'm going to present to you the project that my team has been working on for the last month or so. So, for this project, we had to make an interactive infographic for the Natural History Museum of London, and all of the class had to choose one topic, which it ended up being plants and fruits. And us, as a team, we decided to pick the lavender and its medicinal use as our plant. So, for the applications, we wanted to cover all the parts of the exhibition, so that's why we made a panel for the children to interact, and a video, and then another panel to interact with, and an interactive file for the museum's touch screens. So after making two briefings, one for the plants and another one for the museum, we created a mood board to choose what type we were going to use and the colors we were going to use. So the colors were taken out of a picture of a lavender. And we also created some icons to use in all of the applications. These icons represent the properties of the plant, and they are green because we used a lot of purple in all of the infographics, as you will see later on. We also found this picture of the logo variations that the museum had, and we decided to create our own. So we took the N of the logo and put a lavender picture as the background. So this is our first panel. As you can see, it's all purple. So here you have a little bit of information about the scientific part of the plant, then the properties of the plant with the icons, then where you can find this plant, and that's what makes this panel interactive is that this plant over here is real, so actually people can touch it and smell it. So we wanted to emphasize the importance of the smell of the plant in this panel. Then these are the panels for the children to interact with. Here we have a panel with all the explanation of the plant, but it is explained in a way that children can actually understand it. So it's made like a children's book. And then these are the interactive panels, which kids can actually flip these things up and read the benefits of the plant. And these are the touch screens, which I will show you better here. So these are the pages for the touch screens. So we have a description, and then a composition of the plant, which if you click in those names, you can actually see the parts of the plant. Then there are the properties with the icons that we created, and the uses of the plant, or how you can use them or how you can apply them in your everyday life. And then you can go to the main page from here. So yeah, so these are the pages for the touch screens. And then we made an explanatory video explaining the parts of the plant, the benefits of the plant, and we also created some really cute drawings to make the video fun. I will put it now.